Hi there. How are you doing today?
Hi, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks for asking. Did you have a nice weekend?
Yes, I did. I went to the park with my family. How about you?
That sounds fun. I stayed home and watched movies. It was relaxing.
Nice. What movies did you watch?
I watched a comedy and an adventure movie. They were both really entertaining.
I love comedies. Who were the actors?
The comedy starred Jim Carrey, and the adventure movie had Chris Hemsworth in it.
Those are great actors. I'll have to check out those movies sometime.
Definitely. Let me know if you need any recommendations.
Thanks, I will. Oh, look at the time. I have to go to my next class now.
Alright, see you later. Have a great class.
You too. Take care, and I'll catch up with you later.
Okay, let's find out how well you understand what's being said. Try to answer the questions in this conversation. Just 4 questions. Let's start. Question 1. What did student 1 do over the weekend? Options are A. Went to the park. B. Stayed home and watched movies. C. Played video games. D. Visited relatives. Answer is B. Stayed home and watched movies. Who were the actors in the adventure movie Student 1 watched? Options are A. Jim Carrey. B. Chris Hemsworth. C. Robert Downey Jr. D. Scarlett Johansson. Answer is B. Chris Hemsworth. What did student 2 have to do after the conversation? Options are A. Go to the park. B. Have lunch. C. Go to the next class. D. Watch a movie. Answer is C. Go to the next class. How did the conversation end? Options are A. Student 1 said goodbye and left. B. Student 2 invited student 1 for lunch. C. Student 1 and student 2 exchanged phone numbers. D. Student 2 asked student 1 to come to the park. Answer is A. Student 1 said goodbye and left. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment your score. Thanks for your practice and learning together.